The MA in Digital Media, it focuses on the rapidly developing global media landscape, and it draws on different disciplines including media arts, visual cultures, algorithmic culture, games and playful media, as well as screen practices.
The structure of the course is based around the first semester being dedicated more to the individual work, and the second semester group work, and the third semester to the final project exploration, which is where the students can kind of hone into on what is interesting them the most. Students can loan out various technical equipment, including cameras, sound equipment, LiDAR scanners, iPads, drones. There's actually pretty much anything you can think of in terms of creative practice made either by hand or on a screen. You probably will find it in the school.
What we have that is special about the course is that combination between practice and theory. What we're trying to do is put these two things together so that at the end of the day, you not only have a student who is competitive in the job market, but also a student who comes out of it being a critical thinker as it relates to digital media, a burgeoning, excellent practitioner as it relates to digital media.
I think digital media in the contemporary world is an extremely important field in general, for everyone, but also for professionals working in that. The course is innovative in the unique blend of theory and practice, but also in how it approaches the digital media landscape overall, how it updates constantly, and how it sees the global challenges as something to include in the curriculum and something to directly address. The freedom that students have in choosing their own passions and topics of interest is fundamental to the course, but also the structure that they're invited to is giving them input, and then they have to work on it independently. While there's freedom in finding your way in the course and freedom in choosing what you want to study, there is also kind of particular sets of support that guide them towards it.
I made a game with all my friends. Before that, I just played games, and I never thought how I'm going to make one. And here, I learned the theories about how to make games. My tutor, Francis, really helped me a lot and gave me a lot of encouragement. I am now a little bit braver than before, brave to talk, brave to do things, brave to explore. You can also learn everything from the experiences of doing things. So I now can imagine myself in a job that I want.
We just want people to feel comfortable in those spaces, whoever they are, whoever they wish to become in the future, whatever they're trying to struggle to become at the present. We're hopeful that they all come into the space and understand that who they are is enough, and that what we'll do is try and guide them through this process as much as possible.
Just go for it. If you need help, just contact the university. They will show what you need to do to get in this university. They're all very nice people, so be kind, be nice, and believe in yourself. Just go for it. You will have a really great year here, and you will have a great experience, develop the skills, and you make great friends with other people too. So welcome to Southampton.